This is a thing that have four legs. It have some saw from the structure. Example, wood and plastic and iron, and it have a different color and different shape, such as a big or small, and most time use it to change uh, in different place, and people use it for sitting on it.
This object, made of wood, have a different shape. The human being used to write information and poem and history and roman and diary on it. After publish information on this in the world, that important to extra critical thinking by this information on the object.
Seeing a kind of machine which have a cylindrical shape. Always use it for raise voice. It have some buttons that using for increase and decrease voice and to change tracks. Also to answer call. It have some holes, all of them to connect it but different work. One of them to charging the machine. The machine have golden color. It worked by connecting to smartphones by Bluetooth. It also using like radio. This is a using phone.
کاتتان باش بۆ کەسانەی کە یانەوێ بە ئیمەیل ڤیدیۆکەم بۆ بنێرن.
And it is another important thing in earth. It have a rectangular shape with a nice cover, and also a different kind, and it is simple form, made of glass. It have a smooth face. We can see your face perfectly and beautifully, using in salon and barbershop.